To buy an Xbox gift card with an Apple gift card, you will need to use a third-party marketplace or exchange service. As Microsoft and Apple do not directly support this conversion, start by finding a reputable online marketplace, such as Raise or Cardpool, that allows you to sell or exchange your Apple gift card for cash or another type of gift card. Once you have chosen a marketplace, create an account and follow the instructions to list your Apple gift card for sale. You will need to provide the gift card details, including the card balance and any other relevant information. After listing your gift card, you can sell it to another user or exchange it for a different type of gift card. Another option is to use an online exchange service, such as GameFlip or CardCash, that specializes in buying and selling gift cards. These services will give you a quote for your Apple gift card and allow you to exchange it for an Xbox gift card or cash. After you have sold or exchanged your Apple gift card, you can use the cash or new gift card to purchase an Xbox gift card from the Microsoft Store or another online retailer. Simply go to the Microsoft Store, select the Xbox gift card you want to purchase, and enter the gift card or cash details to complete the transaction. It is essential to be cautious when using online marketplaces or exchange services, as there are risks involved with buying and selling gift cards. Make sure to research the service thoroughly and read reviews from other users before listing your Apple gift card for sale. Additionally, never share your gift card details with anyone, as this can put your card balance at risk. In summary, buying an Xbox gift card with an Apple gift card requires using a third-party marketplace or exchange service to convert your Apple gift card into cash or another type of gift card. By following these steps and being cautious when using online services, you can successfully purchase an Xbox gift card with your Apple gift card.